Well, good morning again. I'll try this without music again because I learned that I can't put music on unless I pay the copyright. Oh, worked. Awesome. So we're working with adding and subtracting polynomials today. Welcome back. Hope this isn't a problem for you guys. You don't have to print this. You can work with it, write down a few things, write down some answers, do your work, take a picture of the odd page here and there that you do, and send it back to me as a part of the assignment. I'll give you full marks for it, no problem. Music store rents out a drum kit for $55 a month, plus a deposit of $30 per month. Okay, rents out a drum kit for $55 per month. So 55 months could be M per month, plus a deposit of 30. How's that for easy? Explore adding or subtracting polynomials expressions. In first semester, Kira decides to play drums for music class. To rent a drum kit, it costs $55 per month plus a $30 deposit. What is the total cost of renting the drum kit for 3 months, including the deposit? Well, 55 multiplied by 3 plus, what was it, 30 bucks? Yep. 55 times 3. 3 50s, 150 bucks, 3 5s, 15, 150 plus 15, 165 plus 30. So we've got 165 plus 30, is that 95? Let's see here. Write an expression to show the total cost for any number of months, including the deposit. Tell what your variable represents. Yeah, I think it's the same as we had earlier. 55 M per month. 55 times months plus 30. And some dollars, and some dollars. That's basically it, right? Electric guitar. So here's where you can pause it and then do what we just did earlier and do this with Mark, Kira, and then play the video and see if you did it acceptably. $22 per month, $20 deposit. Total cost of renting an electric guitar for 3 months, including deposit, so same as before. 22 multiplied by 3 plus 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 plus 2 times 3 is 6, so $66 plus 20 is $86. Write an expression to show the total cost for any number of months, including the deposit. 22N or M plus 20. I think that's right. Okay. Mark wants to learn to play both drums and electric guitar. What is an expression for the total cost of renting a drum kit and a guitar for any number of months, including deposits? Then show how to find a simpler expression. Okay, so we've got 55 M plus 30 plus 22 M plus 20. Oh, now we have to find some like terms. This one, not that one. This one, okay? And then this is your constant. There you go. So you have a coefficient and a variable, coefficient in the same variable. And then we've got a constant. So put those all together. What is an expression for the difference between the cost of renting a drum kit and the cost of renting a guitar for any number of months, including deposits? Okay. So I'll put that down here as well. Oh, let's put these together. 55 and 22. Is that 77? 77 m plus, what's 20 and 30? 50, okay? And then here, let's put this in black down here. Drum kit on difference. Difference means subtract, correct? Usually. Okay, so we have 55m plus 30 minus 22m plus 20. Okay, 55m minus 22m, is that 33m? And then 30 minus 20, 30 minus 20, this 30 minus that 20. Whoops, I got 20 on the brain. There you go. Add polynomials, okay, next one. So, here's where you can go ahead and do this. And you can use algebra trials too. So, add 3x minus 4 and 2x plus 5. Simplify your answer by combining like terms. We can use a model. Use algebra tiles, okay. 3x minus 4 and 2x plus 5. You guys were using green ones earlier, weren't you? So we have 3x. So this is 3x. It's positive. So they're colored. X and 2x. Haha, that's kind of a squiggly rectangle. There we go. And then we've got -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's -4. And then we've got +5. +5. They're all colored in, right? 4, 5. Now, I learned from Mrs. Hassanelli a while ago something about 0 pairs. If you have +1 and -1, does that make 0? So that's a 0 pair. 0, right? Is this a 0 pair? This is a 0 pair. And this is a 0 pair. So what's left? 1. Okay, so we have +1 constant. Looks like this. Okay. Over here we've got 3x and 2x is 5x, right? 5x plus 1. That's not a big deal. It's just the answer. Okay. Using symbols. So that was algebra tiles. Have a go at using symbols and see if you can represent this using symbols. 3x, what was it? -4 plus 2x plus 5. I think that's what it was. Combine like terms. 3x and 2x. 5x. -4 plus 1. Okay. -4 and +5. Okay. Good. And subtracting polynomials. Subtracting polynomials, if you're happy using integers, it's easy. Using the algebra tiles. If you want to use algebra tiles, you can. If you don't, that's fine. But you need to know how to use them because they show up on assessments in grade 10, 11, and 12 too. So learn how to use them. I'll rewrite this thing so it's bigger. 3x, and then we have negative 2x. 3x, negative 2x, and then we have negative 4, take away 3. So it's negative 4, and then minus 3 more. I don't know if that's very clear. I think I'll leave that there, but I think I'll draw it up here so that you can see what we're doing here. So this is 3x. They're rectangles, not squares. Even though my occasional rectangle is a bit squarey. Whoops, that's not negative 2x. Is it? No. I got talking and forgot to make them colorless. There we go. And then we've got negative 4. Negative 4 minus positive 3. Okay. So negative 4 looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then take away positive 3. Is that the same as adding negative 3? Add a negative? Well, let's look at the number line here. If we do this, say we go, I don't know, where are we starting from? Negative 4? And we can go up or we can go down. To go up, we have to add positives or take away negatives, correct? To go down, we have to add negatives or, I did that silly line there. Okay. Take away positives to go down, right? So either way, you're doing the same thing, whether you add a negative or take away a positive. So if we add negatives, okay, we've got whole or colorless ones here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it negative 7? And then over here we've got, 0 pairs. Look at that. And another 0 pair, because this is positive x, negative x, positive x, negative x. 1 left. So we just have x, 1x, but it's the same as x. So we have x minus 7. Okay, I think that's fairly clear. Questions, just contact me. Method 2, add the opposite terms. Sure, we can do that. So we have 3x, what was it? I'll go back up, can't remember. Three x minus 4 minus 2x plus 3. Okay. So if you don't like using integers, you can simply change this. And then on the inside here, you have to change the positive and negative signs and do the addition. So believe it or not, this is the same as 3x minus 4 plus negative 2x, because this is a positive here, so change that. This is positive, change the negative, minus 3, not 3x. They're the same thing. This works out to be 3x minus 2x is x, negative 4 minus positive 3 is negative 7. 3x plus negative 2x is x. Negative 4 add negative 3, negative 7. Okay. So if you choose to do it this way and use your integer movement like you know how to do on the stairs or on a thermometer, fine. If you choose to change the subtract sign to add, and then change the positive to a negative and change the positive to a negative, or vice versa. If this was negative and this was negative, you could change it to positive. It doesn't really matter in terms of the answer you get, what you start with, so long as you remember that this is the same as this here if you change the signs of the terms inside the brackets that follow the subtract change to an add. Okay, we'll go next. Here's where you do this sort of stuff yourself. Follow it through, and should be good. All right, good luck. I'll post some answers here in a bit with another video.